Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Civio. Today I'll show you how to create predefined messages for citizen request management in Civio. So predefined messages are very important, especially when you deal with a lot of citizen requests for your town or municipalities because it helps you for faster responses with coherent information and it also helps you with saving time, especially if you are a 311 agent. The most important thing here is instead of you having to manually reply to the status of a citizen request, for instance, you can have now predefined messages that can inform the citizens about their request, and so this saves you time and allows you to manage other tasks that are more important. Now, to do this on the platform here, what we're going to do, first, we're going to click on Civio down here and we're going to go into the settings. From the settings, you will see on your left, if you scroll down, we've got the option of predefined messages, which you can click on, and then you're going to click on New. Once you're going to do that, you will see it's very easy. It's all of the information that you will need to add to the predefined message will need to be here. So you can go ahead and fill the different fields. So for instance, you can go ahead and add the title. You can also add the sub status request. So for instance, for this one, this is a completed. I'm going to add it here. You can also have a message code so that it's easy for you when you are searching through your different predefined messages. And finally, you can also have the French version or the English version, which is very important, especially if you deal with citizens that speak different languages. So we're going to add both of these messages here. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on Save and Close. Now, it is very important for you to keep in mind that when you click the Save and Close button, what this will do is this will send the message automatically to the citizen. So if your citizen already has a profile on your website, they will be receiving that message as a comment on the platform. Or if they do not have a profile on your website, then they will receive it in their email address. So there you have it, guys. It's very simple, it's very easy for you to have predefined messages that are sent to your citizens when you are managing their requests. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.